Good morning, everybody. It's Joe from PrepAgent Studios. And there's two things I want to talk to you guys about today. One, I found when you guys are studying, a lot of you guys are going into way too much depth with things. I want to emphasize that you guys got to be able to study and understand the most simple concepts before you get into these details. For example, if I say 1031 tax-deferred exchange, a lot of people will say 45, 180, just rattle off these things. Like kind, all those kind of things they learn in the textbook. But if you have somebody who's brand new and trying to understand what it is, just yelling numbers at them and vocabulary words you memorize isn't going to help. What should you say? You say you sell one property, you take the money, and you put it into another property. Okay, that's it. You don't go into these huge details, and after you understand that, then you build upon that, and you start talking about time frames like 45, 180, and tax benefits, and the types of properties, and things of that nature. But you build, and your studying should function the same way. You start with the basic premise, and then you build from there. Antonio says, where do I take your class? Do you not see the website? It's like, sorry. But it says PrepAgent, Google PrepAgent, and you will find our website and everything, the information's there. Just like the name, PrepAgent. So what you guys need to do is just start with the basics and go from there. Okay? So, was that rude? Sorry if that was rude. My bad. The other thing I want to talk about is a lot of you guys are asking me, when is a good time to get into real estate? Is this a good time to get into real estate? This may sound harsh, but I just want to emphasize, if you're asking that, you probably shouldn't be in real estate. Why? Because you're not doing this for 5 months or a year. You're going to be in this for a long time. Am I right? That's the goal, right? We're not passing to do one deal and go, or maybe you are. But if you are, you already have that deal in mind, so what do you care? So, if you guys are serious about this, you're going to be in this for the long haul, which means you're going to be in this for good times, bad times, all that kind of stuff when the market goes up and down. So it shouldn't matter when you get into real estate. Somebody asked, can I save the live videos? Show me how. I always try to do this. I always get so confused. Oh, somebody said they like the artwork. Oh, yeah, I got some artwork here. I am an art collector of sorts. I also collect watches, too. Is that too much information? Don't know. Okay, so my big tips for today is start simple, understand the basics, build from there. Stop just memorizing random words that mean nothing to you, okay? And the second piece of advice, don't worry about when you get into this business because everything passes. Good times pass, bad times pass. All these things are cyclical. So it comes and goes. Okay, Kamisha says, the end of the video will give you the option to save video. Kamisha said, I should hire you to be my personal assistant. You're a lifesaver. Thank you. If you need a job, you let me know. Thank you for the compliment on the artwork. I appreciate it. My favorite piece of art is the YouTube award. That's my favorite one of all. With that being said, you guys can always write to me through the Instagram page. See if I get back to you. I'll try and get back. Oh, don't forget the 5 words. Tammy Lynn says 5 words every morning. Of course, 5 words every single morning. Okay, it doesn't matter what 5 words they are. Just make sure you memorize them. You write them down the night before. In the morning, you memorize them, and you're good to go. With that being said, today we have Facebook Fridays with Stu, and he's going to take questions from our Facebook group and answer them via webinar. That's it for now. Thanks, guys. I'm going to try and save this video like it was advised to me to do so I could publish it for all you guys later. And I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Maybe this is why I'm single. Can't figure out how to do this stuff.